So I keep seeing Flaxxa AI pop up with this big claim. Everything you need for marketing in one platform. And every time I hear all in one, my guard goes up. Because usually that means it does a lot of things, but none of them really well. Still, curiosity won, so I tried it. Step 1. Why I even tested Flaxxa AI. Marketing is messy. Emails, ads, landing pages, copy, ideas, it's a lot. Flaxxa says it can handle all of that in one place. I wasn't looking for magic. I just wanted to see if it could reduce the chaos even a little. Step 2. First time inside the platform. When I logged in, my first thought was, okay, this is a lot. There are tools everywhere. Copy, funnels, automation, ideas. It didn't feel broken, just busy. Not overwhelming, but definitely not beginner simple either. Step 3. Actually using it. I started with the basics. Marketing copy and campaign ideas. Some outputs were surprisingly decent. Others felt generic, like something you've already seen online 100 times. That's when it clicked. Flaxxa doesn't replace strategy, it just gives you a faster starting point. Step 4. The good and the frustrating. What I liked, a lot of tools in one place. Saves time on brainstorming. Useful for rough drafts. What frustrated me? Not everything feels smart. Needs heavy editing. Easy to expect too much. If you treat it like a marketer's shortcut, you'll be disappointed. Step 5. Who this is actually for. Flaxxa AI makes sense for solo marketers, small teams or people juggling too many tasks. If you already know marketing, it helps. If you don't, it won't magically teach you. Final thoughts. So, is Flaxxa AI the best all-in-one AI marketing platform? Honestly, it depends on your expectations. It won't replace experience. It won't run your business for you, but if you use it as a helper instead of a hero, it can save you real time. And sometimes that's enough. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.